Alright, so I'm in the e36 and I got a couple packages, so I'm going to unpackage them, test them out, and show you guys what they are, I guess. And I do not have my camera mount because left it at the tire shop, so I have to go get that when I get the tires mounted. So yeah, I guess you guys just gotta give me a second. Okay, well, hopefully you guys can see me. So this is a OBD2 code reader. Granted, I definitely should have got one of the Bluetooth ones that I used to use, but I'm like, you know what, let me try that. Hopefully it works. We'll be seeing in a few. This is the OBD1 to OBD2 scanner, which I have somewhere and annoyingly cannot find it, so I gotta use this. I really wish I could find that thing because I know I saw it not too long ago. This, I don't remember. Oh, damn, my mustache is over my mouth. Damn, this thing is sticky as... Sheesh. That's actually pretty sick looking. They have like a Supra body kit on a Mustang. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully it focuses, but that's oddly nice looking. But what this is titanium looking steering wheel bolts, because these silver ones are boring as hell and these look pretty sick. So there's that, and this is not even mine. Wait. Did I not order something else? I did order something else. I just don't see it. So, I guess that's it for the unboxing. Okay, so the OBD1 whatever port is right here, and first you plug this in. I don't know if you twist it or not, and then, sorry for the terrible angles, I need my mount, but plug these two things together and hope your OBD, oh, look at that, it turns on. Okay, well then, let's see. It says down, enter to scan. waiting for a vehicle to respond. And I'm gonna probably just put links to everything that I bought in like all of these videos, because there's quite a bit of stuff and they'll probably be useful. And if possible, I'll probably just try to put like one link to everything, so I can like not have just like a long ass list of like links in my description. So yeah. And we're doing this in real time, by the way, just so you guys can see it with me firsthand. Linking error, please try again. Verify the ignition is on. Check the OBD connector, blah, blah, blah. Alright, let's see. I'll try it again and see. Okay, so I can't get it to connect yet, so it said to turn the car on and off, leave it on for like 30 seconds, and then try it again. So in the meantime, we're going to check and see if the tire went down. And it is at 29. So it went down 1 psi, which is normal because of the cold. So the tire is not leaking, and that's fine. So I only need to do the 2 fronts for now. So that's good. Now let's turn the car back on, and then try the scanner again. But yeah, door wasn't locked, so here I am about to pop the damn lock off. But I'll just leave the door open. And let's see. Still getting an error. So this one doesn't work. Well, at least for this car. So I'm probably just gonna keep this for now. Probably use it on the other cars and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna see if I could grab like one of the Shark diagnostic tools or whatever it is for the OBD1 port, or just look up a video to see which one would work and then use it. But for now, it's the end of the vlog. And I'll probably just upload this tomorrow, unless I do something in between, which I probably will not, but who knows, because I am still waiting for the tires, and then I'm gonna test with the spacers and do all that. So I may just add those after if the guy drops the tires off. If not, then this is gonna just be a pointless video, most likely, but I don't know. I guess you guys will just have to see, and I'll have to see, because it's time for me to eat. This is a pretty sick Slam sedan. That's nice. Okay, so I just picked up a front strut brace and some side skirts, the regular side skirts, because they were cheap and they're already painted silver, so I don't have to worry about getting any M1s, and I could just throw the what do you call that thing, the Rocket Bunny splitters. And then after I do that, I'll be all set, because I'm really not focusing on the exterior more than just like getting it to look decent. But besides that, that's it. Now we save for the supercharger, because, well, fixing whatever is squirrely in the front, and then the supercharger, because, you know, it's the most important thing right now. Okay, so it's kind of chilly out here, but that one's pretty tight. But yeah, I'm about to quickly install this strut brace, and then probably just go back inside, and then I'll do the side skirts with the side splitter and stuff like that, like tomorrow or something, because I have a couple little things to do today, so it's just like can't be asked to do that now. So okay, so what I was told to do was take the middle section off first and then try to put it on, but I'm going to try it the lazy way first. because yeah, this is like what he was saying, you're gonna have to be adjusting it on both sides so it's like straight up. So yeah, I may have to just take the center out. Okay, so yeah, I couldn't get it on, don't know why. It's like slightly off, so I'm probably gonna see if I can like get it modified or something, or see if it's bent or whatever, but I'll figure it out. So I guess that's the end of the video unless I do something else, but if I do, I'll probably just include that in the next one. So for now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. God damn. Sorry that, again, this was like a pretty boring, uneventful vlog. I'm really just waiting for stuff. So yeah, if the weekend has decent weather, I'm probably just going to end up bagging the car and get rid of these TC Klein coilovers so I could put that money towards the supercharger. So yeah, that's my incentive to do things. The more things I take off that I don't need, the quicker I get the supercharger. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. And drink water, mother...